This is a meditation for the new year. You can use it at any time at all though, any time that you want to bring something new to you, starting something afresh, new beginnings. You can try this meditation. I'm Philip, I'm the Crystal Healer. I've been working with crystals since 1992. If you like videos like this one, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment or share this video on social media. And the crystal that I'd recommend for the new year, new beginnings, is citrine. Citrine is great, it brings abundance, it brings joy, it brings happiness, and it's great for sparking new beginnings. Hold a citrine crystal. And if you haven't got one, then just imagine this one. Just imagine that is in your mind. Just let your eyes close and allow yourself to breathe. And as you're breathing, just imagine that citrine crystal, or if you're holding one in your hand, just hold it and feel a connection to it. The first thing I want you to do is just take a few deep breaths, and we're going to just get rid of the old year. So take a really, really, really deep breath in, and as you breathe out, just blow away any fears from the old year. And take another really, really, really deep breath in, and as you breathe out, just blow away any anger from the new year, from the old year, just let it go. And take another really, really, really deep breath in. And this time, as you breathe out, just let any negative thoughts, any negativity, just flow away from you. Just as you're breathing, just imagine beautiful golden light above you. Just imagine that golden light coming down towards you and gets closer and closer and closer, and it just spins itself into a ball just above the top of your head. And that ball of golden light just floats down into your mind. And any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of them, focus on one of them, and just let that thought float towards that ball of golden light in your mind and just disappear into that ball of golden light. And you can do that with another thought and another, just one by one. Just each thought one at a time, just focus on it and watch it floating towards that ball of golden light, just spinning in your mind. Disappear into that ball of golden light. And disappear into that ball of golden light. And as your mind stills and it slows down, just allow that ball of golden light to float down. As it comes down behind your eyes, be aware of the colour of that light, that golden light. Maybe you can hear it as it passes your ears. Maybe you can smell the golden light as it passes your nose. Maybe you can taste that golden light dancing on your tongue. It comes down your throat, and in your throat it just spins there for a moment. And that golden light flows down from your throat to your heart, right in the middle of your chest. Just that spinning ball of light, golden light in your heart. And it flows down to your solar plexus, All the time you're just breathing nice, comfortable breaths down into your belly. And that ball of golden light floats down with your breath into your belly. It just rolls down to the base of your spine. From the base of your spine, it then flows down your legs, past your knees, your lower legs, your ankles and your feet, and into the ground. In the ground, that golden light now flows deeper and deeper and deeper into the ground, all the time just taking you down and anchoring you into the ground. Then the light stops and it starts to come back up towards your feet. And as it gets up to your feet, that ball of light just rolls itself out in front of you, 2 or 3 feet in front of you. It starts to draw a circle around you, to your right and behind you and your left, till it joins up with itself in front of you, completing that circle of light, and you find yourself sitting in a circle of light. And that circle of light starts to come up around you. It comes up in front of you, to your right, behind you and your left. And as that circle of light comes up above your head, it closes itself in a dome above you. And then from the top of the dome, a golden light starts to come down through the whole dome and fill the whole dome with golden light. Till you find yourself sitting in a dome of golden light, surrounded by golden light, feeling safe and secure. Breathing comfortably and feeling relaxed. And in this relaxed, calm space, just imagine in your mind the things that you want for next year. What new beginnings do you want? Because you've got an open space now, a perfect time where you can create your own reality, you can create your own world. And the first place to create it is in your mind. So what do you want? What do you want to bring to you? And imagine that you're sitting inside your dome of light, surrounded by that golden light, and holding your citrine crystal. Just let that citrine crystal be the spark that you need, a spark of inspiration, will light the fire of the new beginnings for next year. And of course, at any time of the year, any time you want a new beginning, you can just replace the words next year with now, with tomorrow, with today. Slowly the dome of light opens above you. And that dome of light starts to come down around you. It comes down to your left, behind you, to your right, and in front of you, until it's a circle of light around you on the floor, just golden light around you on the floor. And that circle of golden light starts to pick itself up round to your left and behind you and your right, until once again there's a ball of light just 2 or 3 feet in front of you on the floor. Ball of light just 2 or 3 feet in front of you on the floor. And this ball of light just rolls back towards your feet, comes in through your feet and comes up through your legs, through your hips, up through your belly, past your solar plexus and your heart, up into your throat, past your mouth and your nose and your ears, behind your eyes, up into your mind, and up to the top of your head. And from the top of your head, that golden light just goes back way, way, way up into the sky, where it came from, somewhere way up above you. And thank your crystal for helping you. That citrine crystal will be a friend. If you have one, then thank your crystal for helping you. If you have a citrine crystal, then it will be your friend. Just place it somewhere where it won't be disturbed, somewhere special. Let it keep sending your message out for you. May you all have a happy new year and a healthy one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. I look forward to seeing you again in my other videos soon.